Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about how to solve linear equations using a general strategy. I'll walk you through the basic method I use to solve a linear equation. There are a total of 5 steps involved. First, we simplify each side of the equation as much as possible. This includes using the distributive property to remove any parentheses and then combining like terms on both sides. Once we've combined the like terms on both sides, we collect all the variable terms on one side of the equation. For this step, we use either the addition or subtraction property of equality. After collecting all the variable terms on one side, we collect all the constant terms on the other side. Again, we'll use the addition or subtraction property of equality. At this point, we have an equation where the variable term is on one side and the constant is on the other. Now it's time to solve for the variable. To do this, we make the coefficient of the variable equal to 1 by using either the multiplication or division property of equality. Finally, we state the solution to the equation. But don't forget, there's a final step: checking your solution. Let's take a look at example 5. Where we solve the equation. 1/4 times the quantity 6x plus 3 equals negative 9/4 times the quantity 2x plus 5. We'll follow the 5 steps. First, we simplify each side of the equation. We simplify both sides by using the distributive property to remove the parentheses. So, 1/4 times 6x is 3/2 x. 1/4 times 3 is 3/4. On the right side, negative 9/4 times 2x is negative 9/2 x, and negative 9/4 times 5 is negative 45/4. So the equation becomes 3/2 x plus 3/4 equals negative 9/2 x minus 45/4. There are no like terms to combine, so we move on to the next step. Next, we collect all variable terms on one side. We have variable terms on both sides, 3/2 x and negative 9/2 x. We'll move the variable terms to one side by adding 9/2 x to both sides. 3/2 x plus 9/2 x equals 6x. This simplifies to 6x plus 3/4 equals negative 45/4. Now we collect the constant terms on the other side. We subtract 3/4 from both sides. Negative 45/4 minus 3/4 equals negative 48/4, which simplifies to negative 12. So now we have 6x equals negative 12. To solve for the variable, we divide both sides by 6. 6x divided by 6 equals negative 12 divided by 6. This simplifies to x equals negative 2. Finally, let's check the solution by substituting x equals negative 2 back into the original equation. 1/4 times the quantity 6 times negative 2 plus 3 equals negative 9/4 times the quantity 2 times negative 2 plus 5. This simplifies to 1/4 times negative 12 plus 3 equals negative 9/4 times negative 4 plus 5, which further simplifies to 1/4 times negative 9 equals 9/4 times positive 1. Both sides equal negative 9/4, confirming that the solution x equals negative 2 is correct. So, that's how we solve a linear equation step by step. I hope this helps you understand the general strategy, and remember to always check your solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.